Hello everyone, this is Athar Khan. Today I'm here at Samera Gorittee Church and I'm so honored that we are handing over the toys which we collected through our Christmas toy drive at Cosmopolitan Realty Brokerage. I want to say thank you everyone who supported and make successful this trip. And this is our fourth year continuously doing the toy drive for St. Maria Gorittee Church. It's an honor and privilege, and we are today handing over this toys, which goes to the homeless and the children who need our support. From youth, I give the mic to Salman.
Hey guys, it's a pleasure to be here today. Thank you to all the youth and all the people that contributed to this. Without you guys, it wouldn't have been possible. So once again, thank you so much. I know that there is an issue with a lot of people. I'm sure when the kids receive these presents, they'll have a great smile on their faces. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to pass it to Father.
So, it's my great privilege to be the recipient of these gifts, this expression of generosity and kindness at this very important time of the year. Be assured of the gratitude of the many people who benefit by your generosity, and be assured of my prayers for a very happy Christmas, a very happy New Year, and God's ongoing blessings upon everyone. Peace.